Arjun Tendulkar picks his maiden IPL wicket. Mumbai Indians young pacer Arjun Tendulkar claimed his first IPL wicket on Tuesday as he dismissed Bhuvneshwar Kumar in the final over of the game against Sunrisers Hyderabad. Arjun, son of legendary India cricketer Sachin Tendulkar, made his IPL debut on Sunday against Kolkata Knight Riders. The left-arm pacer bowled 2 overs on his debut but remained wicketless. Mumbai Indians gave Arjun a bigger role on Tuesday as he was asked to bowl the crunch final over with 20 runs to defend. The young paceman was right on the money and defended the target quite comfortably. He relied heavily on the wide Yorkers to outsmart the batters. On the 5th ball of the over, he got the better of Bhuvneshwar to open his IPL account and seal the win for his team. Arjun ended the match with economical figures of 1/18 in 2.5 overs as Mumbai Indians won the match by 14 runs. It was their 3rd victory in a row. Meanwhile, the 23-year-old also shared his excitement after getting the maiden IPL wicket as he also opened up on his plan in the final over. "Obviously, it was great getting my first IPL wicket. I just had to focus on what was in hand, the plan and executing it. Our plan was just to bowl wide and get the long boundary into play, make the batsmen hit it to the longer side," Tendulkar said after the match. He further stated that he and Sachin discussed the tactics before every match and his father always advised him to back his skills. "I love bowling, I'm happy to bowl anytime the captain asks me to and just stick to the team plan and give my best. We, Sachin Tendulkar and him, talk about cricket. We discuss tactics before the game and he tells me to back what I practice every game. I just focused on my release, bowling good lengths and lines up front. If it swings, it's a bonus, if it doesn't, so be it," he said.